Hello guys, welcome to this new video. I'm Alessandro and today I'm introducing you our new cordless pressure washer. Our pressure washer has a capacity of 300 liters per hour and it has two batteries with 4000 mAh. Our pressure washer has a hose with a length of 5 meters. And you can use it freely outdoors, such as watering the plants or cleaning the car. If you have any question, you can contact us and we will answer in 24 hours. From Halle and JVISION, it's everything. See you!